A lot of us have been waiting for this fog to get out of town. It's still around.
I know, but the nice part about it is if you can get above it, man, it looks cool.
Okay.
I mean, from our camera.
Show us.
Take a look at the camera's vantage point. This is the one that sits up on top of Queen Anne. So we're looking down to the south and we're looking out over the Sound, and we've been watching these low clouds just do a little bit of a dance. Sometimes they get pushed onshore and they move into the city and then it's foggy, and then they get pushed back out into the Sound. It's starting to get pushed back into the city. Let me show you why I would say that. We're looking at another camera's vantage point here. This is the camera that looks straight down the waterfront. Can you pick out the Great Wheel? Maybe you can, at least a little piece of it sitting right there. And the viaduct is just about to get overtaken once again. So as long as there's this big pile of low clouds sitting out in Puget Sound, and we've had it there all day, we are susceptible here to having this just kind of on a whim get pushed on shore, and it really is just a matter of how subtle the wind changes. So why have we had it so persistently? We'll typically see this stuff in the morning, but why is it stuck around all day? Well, the same reason we've been having sunny and 70-degree weather for the last week. There's been a big center of high pressure over us, and you likely already know high pressure. That's how you're going to get sunny and warm. But what high pressure also does is it pushes down on the ground. That's why we call it high pressure, because the pressure is higher as this thing is pushing the air and squeezing it down to the ground where we all live. Well, if you take the air and squeeze it all down like that, now there's a cap on everything. Nothing can rise above it. So the typical low cloudiness that we'll see develop over the Sound has nowhere to go now. So the low and cloudy fog cannot mix out. It's stuck down here because it's getting trapped by that big center of high pressure. So there are benefits to this. It's been sunny and warm. But one of the downsides is you can find yourself living with low clouds like this all day. And then the other thing that gets trapped here is all the dirty air. So there is actually an air stagnation advisory in effect for everybody east of the Cascades. But that does not mean over here on the west side we're going to avoid this. We're going to watch some of the air quality sensors because it is possible over the next few days we'll see air quality actually get up towards unhealthy for sensitive groups. Right now it's moderate at worst for the city, but we could see that get a little more intense through the weekend. All right, that covers the inversion. Here's the rest of the weather story. We're finally going to see rain come back Tuesday afternoon. It's not going to be a lot Tuesday afternoon, but it could be more impressive on Wednesday. The Wednesday storm looks like a better rainmaker. So things are about to change around here, guys. But the weekend looks great. It's going to stay sunny. It's going to stay inversion layery, meaning low clouds and not the best air quality. See you with more on this in a bit, guys. Back over to you.